In our lesson today, we're talking about use of language and interpreting word meaning by what we read. And you're going to do some practice here after we've watched the video introducing the concept. And so just follow along with me here as I read the introduction to you. Sometimes when you read, you may see a word that has more than one meaning. You might know the main or most commonly used meaning of the word, but you may not know the word's other meanings. For example, suppose you're asked this question: what does the word right mean? Right is a word that has more than one meaning. You could say that right means correct. You could also say that right means a direction, as in a way to go or travel. Or you could say that right means a type of claim of or freedom that a person has, such as the right to vote. These are three very different meanings. So if right has more than one meaning, how do you know which meaning is used in a sentence? To figure out what a certain word means, look for clues in the text. You need to look at the other words in the same sentence or paragraph. The other words used in the sentence or paragraph can help you figure out what that certain word means. If right means correct, then the sentence or paragraph might look like this. If you said that a spider is not an insect, then you're right. A spider has 8 legs, an insect has 6 legs. The clues here are the last two sentences. They explain why a spider is not an insect. They help you figure out the meaning of right. If you said that a spider is not an insect, you would be correct. If right means a direction, then the sentence or paragraph might look like this. Go past the stop sign and turn right on Main Street. The school is on the next corner. The word turn in the first sentence is a clue that there is a change of movement. It helps you figure out what right means. To turn right means to change the direction in which something is moving. If right means a type of claim or freedom, then the sentence or paragraph might look like this. In 1959, a special law was passed. This law said that every child has the right to have a name and a home. It also said that every child has the right to an education. No one can take these things away from any child. There is a clue in the first sentence. It's the word law, double clue. It also is in the second sentence. A law is a rule that everyone must follow. This can help you figure out what right means. To have a right means to have a claim or a freedom that is protected by law. Many words have more than one meaning. How do you know which meaning a certain word has in a story or other context? To figure this out, look at the other words around it. These words often hold clues to help you understand what a certain word means. So now you're going to do some on your own, and you're going to read some paragraphs and answer some questions that follow. In the paragraphs, you're going to be given a few sentences, and then you're going to be given a question which asks you what a word could particularly mean from the paragraph that you read. And you're going to come up with the best meaning with the context of what you read. And just put the answer in the spot or select the answer in the multiple choice questions as you guys go through the practice quiz there in the module. If you have any questions, flip over to the Zoom and I'll be happy to answer some. Shoot me a chat with a question or just turn your mic off and ask me.